Welcome to Road Estimator tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import finished road level (FRL) data. Select the FRL option from Data menu. FRL window has three columns: Shennage, FRL, and Distance. By default, FRL is given at median edge, that is, distance is 0. If FRL has to be given for any other place, you have to specify distance in meters from median edge and distance column. Left side and right side FRLs can be given separately if there is a difference in elevations. Click the button to import FRLs from CSV file. Select the FRL file. Set column numbers of CSV file and click on Import button. If your FRLs are same from left and right side, click on Mirror button. This will copy and paste the same data for right side. Click the Save button and close the window. That's it, your FRLs have been imported. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment.